Alright, what's up guys? So today we're going to be showing you how to get off the weather stripping on your car. Here we have a 91 Cadillac, and as you can see, the weather stripping is gone. It is deteriorated completely. So we ordered this from Rock Auto. Shout out Rock Auto. But yeah, we're going to get it in here and get it off. Yep. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the old weather stripping out. You're going to want to take a screwdriver and pop out these little grommets on the old one. But yeah, get it out of there. We're going to put the new one on now. We're applying some adhesive down in here to keep the weather stripping from coming out of the cavity. Ain't nothing too crazy, you know. Just follow along and it should squish down in there. But yeah. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got this on here looking nice and new in comparison. Wasn't that hard, just stay tedious and make sure you get the glue back in the factory spots. Yeah, we're gonna go on to the other side and get it done. So this side isn't nearly as bad, but we're gonna replace it. Might as well go ahead and replace both sides. Alright guys, so as you can see, we just got done with the weather stripping on this 91 Cadillac Brougham. Wasn't too bad of a job. Stick to the steps, make sure you pull all the little blue tabs out. But yeah, until next time.